at something right here. I need to cut my nails too. I'm in Walmart. I'm looking for something that I can use to put under before my window from the outside, from the inside, to put something in my window. And I'm tired of using the blankets that I have, and this is definitely not it. But it's got to be some way. You know those things that you put on the inside of your window that it's like a black screen so that it can look like your windows are tinted? That's what I'm looking for. Until I actually get the real deal, I want that particular type of thing to use to replace that. And I'm looking for it. Are these it? Are they called decals? No, they're not called decals. Put that one back. I thought it was called decals, but it's not. So I put it back. Here's the clean window film. That might be it. The easy to apply tin film that's flowable and reusable. Cool. I might use this. So it says the easy to apply tint film that's removable and reusable. I can just use that. It's only $13. But I don't want to buy it. I mean, I do. I just don't want to buy it right now. I do. I just don't. I'm trying to save it. I'm trying to save some more money. On the back of it, it says Black Magic. And these are steps, and it's meant to be easy to put on, I guess. I think it's meant to be. I think it's easy to put on. I should really get some sunglasses too, because the sun really makes my eyes, like when I'm driving, it does. So these are nice. I don't know how sunglasses look on me. I think some sunglasses look pretty good on me. Well, I found what I was looking for, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna get it. I can get this. Auto in home. So I guess you would have to cut it. This is what it says on the side. I think you would have to cut it to fit the windows. I'm not sure. It says it's easy to apply. The last time I purchased this one right here, and you needed another solution, like a spraying solution to spray on the window, then put it on there. And I never put it on. So I wanted something easier. Oh, and then when I was opening up the pack, it just looked like it was crumbling up already. So I think this one is a whole lot better for me to use. The InstaClean Auto Bow and Home Tint. I might get that one, but I think I'm gonna have to wait. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. auto stuff. Fishing poles. I'm trying to see what bicycle I want, but I don't think I want to buy a bicycle from here. I might. I think I'm just going to get a bicycle from the thrift store. But I like that bicycle. And I want that one. I want the 24 or the 26 or 28. I can't find the price on this bicycle. And I think it's too high anyways. I want a bigger bike than that one. That one was 29. That was a 29. I like bigger bikes. This bike has a basket on it. And I say your lunch can go in there. Maybe I will put a flower in there. I will put a flower in there. It looks more better. Deer corn. Coffee pots. Hey guys, okay, so today I went to Bojangles and I ordered the 3-piece chicken supreme meal, and I will open it up, let you guys see what that looks like. They put napkins in the bag. I just got home from, not home, well, yeah, I just came home from work. Well, I just got off of work. So excuse my hands, they look ashy or something. Here's a biscuit. I didn't get any jelly. I think the guy, I could have got some jelly, but I didn't. And I also wanted some honey mustard, but I felt like the guy in the cash register was like, he wasn't trying to rush me or anything. I just felt like he was just like doing something fast, so I didn't even get a chance. I did get a chance to ask for honey mustard. He said anything else. I don't know. But I do know, so I'll be able to explain that later. And maybe in writing. I'll do that. So, so the fries, the seasoned fries, the biscuit, and the chicken. I know you guys are looking at this one. I'll grab it, because I'm looking at it. See? And I also got a sweet tea. So, this is it.